All right, here we go with week 5 and safety and sanitation. So finally we're getting into something different. I have to admit something. I have not re-recorded all of these videos from the other teachers that have already created the videos. So I just kind of took their videos. I hope that's okay, but this is Miss Sanders at North, and she does a great job explaining all of the notes, and she even put them on YouTube so that you can speed it up. Yay, Miss Sanders. So take food safety notes. Then you're going to work on this food safety poster. I have given you just a regular Google drawing attached to it because I know it's easier for you guys to turn it in that way. So you're going to create a poster and represent the 4 C's that you just learned in the notes: chilling, cooking, cross-contamination, and cleaning. 5 rules or tips for each category, so that makes 20, and then you have to include pictures. It might be easiest to create a kind of a T-chart, like put a big cross right in the middle and split it up that way. So 1 corner for each category. Here's your breakdown. It's worth 25 points total. Should be pretty easy. Try to be super creative and visual. Try to stay away from just words. You know, a poster is supposed to be visual. Let's go back. Okay. Serious About Sanitation is it's a worksheet. It has scenarios that you will read about Jessica and David, and they do some things wrong. So you're going to identify the unsanitary practice here, and then you're going to tell me what they should do to correct or to fix or all that. Sometimes I ask you to correct or fix, but sometimes I need prevention as well. So foodborne illness, 3 foodborne illnesses, that is in your notes, and then how to prevent those. Please give me not different ways to prevent, but there should be more than just wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. So give me more there. And then a few more, or actually just one more, I'm sorry. I was going to say a few more items. One more thing, scenario, excuse me. It's really late. One more scenario with Jessica and David where they're preparing this dinner. And so they need to meal plan, basically. So you're going to help them with that by identifying food items to avoid and associated foodborne illness to the food item. All of this is in your notes, so you can just go back there. And right here are some more slides in order to help you with that. And this is an ed puzzle. First, I need you to join our class, because if you don't join our class, then it doesn't give you credit for doing it. Also, this keeps telling me this over and over. I think it's because I'm a teacher. But you can do this right here. You just get started. Make sure you're logged in. To join our class, this is a link. I think you've all done ed puzzles before. If you have any questions, let me know about that. Last but not least, the safety test. Okay? This is really important. You have to score well. I'm actually not going to stress you out with what you have to score, but I just know that I may ask you to retake the safety test. Right here it says you have to at least score 22, but I'm just saying I need you to retake it until you score well. Again, some of you on your syllabus quiz didn't take it more than once, and that's not the point. The point of my quizzes, most of them, is that you learn the information and you know the information, not that you just get 100% right away. So please take this until you score at least what I would consider to be good, but you can keep going. All right, that is it. That is our week. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. I felt like last week was really light, so hopefully you got to catch up, and let me know if you need anything. Oh, also, sorry, let me go out in the front. I put this new thing up. Hooray! We will be meeting live. That's new. Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to request that it's mandatory just to check in. You know, just to let me explain a few things. I'm going to start taking a roll as far as who shows up and who doesn't. And yeah, so I put this up there. The link, oh, I'll add that right down here on the bottom. I'll just put our Google Meet link. Okay, have a great week, guys.